Don't worry, Ruth. They'll edit it out.
Good evening. How are you tonight?
I'm good.
Good. I love your ring. Look at this ring. It's gorgeous.
Thank you.
So tell me, what brought you out tonight?
I wanted to come hear a good band and have good food.
Well, you are in the right place. We have a band here tonight. It's called Second Nature, and we know you're going to enjoy it. What kind of things are you looking for in a good band? What would you say would be good qualities of a band?
I want to hear a good lead singer, good musicians. I want it to make me get up out of my chair and dance.
And dance.
Yes.
Well, I promise you, you will be satisfied tonight. I promise you.
Well, good.
We'll come back and we'll check it out and see what you think.
Come back later. I'll let you know.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Good evening.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. So tell me, what brought you out here tonight?
Well, I just wanted to come out and see what was going on. I heard about Buttons, and I was told yesterday there was a good band going to be here today. And to my surprise, look at here.
I know, right?
Right?
It's a good band.
Yes, I heard.
So tell me, what things do you think, or what qualities makes a good band?
What makes a good band? I think real good chemistry, when they involve the group, I mean the people around them, when they can come out and get the group to really start singing with them and what have you. I think that makes
So tell me what other things do you look for in a good band? Like
I think I like the suave about the band, if the band is connecting together. And let me tell you one of the things I really like, when they introduce each other.
Yeah.
When one person it's not just a spotlight of one person, when everybody else get that, the introduction. I really like that too.
Well, hopefully you're going to enjoy yourself tonight. We have a great band, it's Second Nature, and they're really good.
I heard they was.
So we'll come back to you and we'll see how things are going with you.
Sounds good. All right,
nice seeing you again.
Thank you.
So tell me, what brought you out tonight?
Actually, this is my co-worker's birthday,
Oh.
and we came out to hang out, have a good
Happy
time.
birthday.
And these are all my co-workers.
Okay, cool.
These ladies here.
All right, so have y'all all been before?
Many times.
Oh,
First
okay.
time, many times.
Okay, so you have heard of the band, right? Second Nature?
Second Nature
Good.
is first nature to me. I love them. They off the chain. I love
Tell me what
Keith.
you like most about them.
I love Keith. I love this food. I love this place. It's great.
Tell me what you like about Second Nature.
Second Nature, I like the music. They can get you up and groove. They can make you groove to their music.
Yeah, they can. So
like
tell me what things you would say that would set them aside from any other band?
Ooh, I don't know. It sounds like the record.
Okay.
There you go. It sounds like the record.
That's very good.
It's very clear. Sounds very good. I love them.
Good. Well, we hope you enjoy yourself tonight and y'all have a good time.
Thank you.
Thank you. How are you tonight?
I'm fine.
Good. So this is not your first time here, I understand that, right?
No, it's not my first time.
And you've heard a couple of bands, not too many, but a couple of them, right?
Just a few.
So you never heard Second Nature before, right?
Never heard Second Nature.
Well, we hope that you enjoy it. Can you tell me what things that you are looking for in a good band? Like what things make you think a good band is a good band? That's
Rhythm. You know, the vibe, you know, the audience is feeling it.
Right.
You know, things of that nature, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, cool. So you think you'll be getting up, maybe dancing, busting a move with them when they
It's
jam?
a possibility.
Okay. Well, we're going to come back. We're going to see if you did that tonight. Is that okay?
Well, you know, circle back around and talk to me.
All right, you have a good night. Thank you.
See you, baby.
How y'all doing out there tonight?
Y'all doing all right? Make some noise. Let me hear y'all. Yeah. All right, man. We're Second Nature. We're going to be your entertainment for tonight. We're going to have a funky good time. Y'all ready for this? Let's make some noise. Come on, y'all, man. Kick it off. Here we go. 1, 2. We're going to have a funky good time. We're going to have a funky good time. Gonna have a funky good time. Gonna have a funky good time. We're gonna take it. Come on. Come on. This is our sound check, y'all. Y'all bear with us for a minute so we can make this thing right. Come on. Oh, we're gonna have a funky good time. 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 Thank you, sir. Take it higher. Come on. We're gonna take it higher. Man, yo, change it up. Come on. We're gonna have a funky good time. We're gonna have a funky good time. Yeah. We're gonna have a funky good time. We're gonna have a funky good time. We're gonna take it higher. Say what? We're gonna take it higher. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. I hope y'all ready for this.